Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade blueberry jam. First, gather your ingredients: fresh blueberries, sugar, pectin, and lemon juice. Ensure your canning jars and lids are sterilized and ready. This preparation is crucial for a safe and delicious jam. We will walk through each step, making it simple for you to create a delightful preserve. Get ready to enjoy the sweet rewards of your kitchen efforts. Next, let's prepare the blueberries. Start by washing and sorting about 2 pounds of fresh blueberries, removing any stems or bruised fruit. For a lovely texture, crush about 1/3 of the berries, leaving the rest whole. Combine both the crushed and whole berries in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Then, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. This step is vital for flavor and helps the jam set properly. Now it's time to cook your jam. Add 4 cups of granulated sugar and the recommended amount of pectin to your blueberry mixture in the pot. Stir everything together thoroughly. Bring the mixture to a full, rolling boil over high heat, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Boil vigorously for exactly 1 minute. Then, remove the pot from the heat and carefully skim off any foam that has formed on the surface. This ensures a clear, beautiful jam. Finally, let's get your jam into jars. Carefully ladle the hot jam into your sterilized canning jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the jar rims clean with a damp cloth and then secure the lids and bands tightly. Process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes to ensure a proper seal. Once cooled, check the seals. Store your delicious homemade blueberry jam in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.